Hello kids, let's learn some shapes name and color name. These are our colors and these are our shapes. It is red color. It is green color. It is orange color. It is yellow color. It is purple color. It is violet color. Let us draw these shapes. This is black color. It is right angle triangle. It is smiley. It is cube. It is rhombus. It is heart. It is U-turn. Let us color these shapes. Violet color. It is right angle triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. It is red color. It is heart. Heart is a shape. It is green color. It is cube. It is a 3D shape. It is orange color. It is rhombus or diamond. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yellow color. It is smiley emoji. Purple color. It is U-turn. Let us recall the shapes and color name once again. It is right angle triangle. It is violet color. Smiley emoji yellow color. Cube green color. Rhombus or diamond orange color. Heart red color. U-turn purple color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.